Yeah. Yeah.
The Martian.
Young nigga stay down, serving all through the town. Used to hit licks, but a young nigga pull now. Keep a 380, bitch, hold about 7 rounds. Nigga act dumb, knock him off, ain't playing around. Any nigga try me, know I gotta let him have it. Using good sense, but I got bad habits. Shout out to the dope boys, know they understand me. I been on the block, trapping since my mama done had me.
Young niggas stay down, grinding, trying to get it. These niggas hate cause they ain't making digits. I'm serving it strong and you still serving millions. I done ran it up, trying to get me a ticket. Play with the cap, send shots to your bitch. These niggas acting, they ain't making digits. All of that talking, prove that you ain't with it. Serving the gas, I'm supplying the city.
I been on the block, thugging since my mama done had me. Gave my nigga 20 years, man, free my daddy. Lost him in the same year, RIP to my granny. It ain't only turn me cold, turn me into a savage. So every beat I jump on, I just gon' let it have it. Beat the block up like Shaq on the Magic. Coming through the lane like Kobe, I ain't passing, and I'm only 17, but a nigga still have it.
Young niggas serving this gas. Racing my blunts, ain't no puff up pass. Learn how to whip it, got my hand in the glass. Young nigga paper chase, serving all these bags. Stay down just to get it cashed out with my last. Paid off at the end cause I triple my cash. These niggas won't whip me when I'm down on my ass. Only come around feeding, try to smoke my gas.
Show you how to do it, cash out with your last. Get you a pack, try to make it bounce back. Stop trying to call yourself a young nigga with a sack. I just say I'm blessed, some still say I'm fat. But I don't give a fuck cause I'm still eating good. I'm a young nigga trying to make it out the hood. Y'all smoking on that man while I'm still smoking good. And I got the 30 on me and I wish a nigga would.